Yo YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Just a quick updated tutorial today to show you how to get secrets in Still a Brainrot Roblox. This is the easiest method to unlock all secrets for free in Still a Brainrot. This uses some secret codes, guys, that you can use right now in November 2025. So before I show you guys how to get secrets in Still a Brainrot, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I do plan on making many more tutorials for this game. So anyway, let's not waste any more time and let's show you how to get your secrets in Still a Brainrot. So as you can see here, guys, I'm using an iPhone to do this. You can do this on Android as well. I just do recommend you do this on whatever mobile phone you have. So you of course need an internet connection, and you've got to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So as you can see, guys, just type it exactly like this and it's going to bring you to this website. Now, if you haven't seen Cold Coupons before, I think you're going to be in for a very pleasant surprise because they have codes for pretty much any game you can imagine. Highly recommend you check this website out. And in the search bar, I'm just going to type in Still a Brainrot Roblox. And this is the codes page here, guys. There's 5 different verified working codes at the time of recording this video, and thousands of people have used these and verified them to be working. So scroll down, and essentially, guys, you need to look for the all secrets code. So this is a Still a Brainrot unlock all secrets. So tap on get code. This confirms your choice. Tap on show full code. And it's going to run through the process of unlocking your personal secret code. Code is valid, and it says your code is ready. Now, because these are limited codes, you do need to reveal the code by completing a verification. So you can see your Still a Brainrot unlock all secrets code is locked. You need to unlock your code by clicking this button and just follow the instructions you see on this screen here, guys. It is super simple. It says complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. Follow the instructions below each app. It takes 30 seconds and verifies you're not a robot. So essentially, guys, it's going to take a little bit longer than 30 seconds. I found it takes about 5 minutes, but you do just have to complete 2 of the tasks on this page. They're all completely free, and these are applications, surveys and stuff. They sponsor Cold Coupons, and that's how they supply us with these awesome codes. So just complete 2 tasks here. And if you do that, it will simply redirect you back to this page on Cold Coupons, and your Still a Sorry, guys. Your Still a Brainrot code will be revealed in this box. And yeah, that is how to get all secrets in Still a Brainrot Roblox, working right now in 2025. Head on over to Cold Coupons. And make sure you drop a like on this video if this worked for you. Subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in my next video.